Okay, so you're not getting my head in shot, but these are the ready to sew Hadid pants, and I really like them. These nice pleats down the side, the pockets that disappear into the pleats, and then we've got the invisible zip at the bottom, which you can wear zipped up or zipped down, your choice, or zipped or not zipped. I've made mine a little bit higher than they are on the actual pattern. You'll see that if you look at cutting the pattern, how I adjusted these to fit me. And I'm wearing it now with the Style Arc Kira top. So this is the Style Arc Kira top that I made to coordinate with it. It's the same range of fabric from Meat Milk, and it's colour mellow. So mellow yellow. And I wasn't sure if I'd think this was all a bit much as a full head to toe look, but I quite like it. I think it kind of works. So it's always a bit of a problem when I've got a head to toe look to fit that all in. That's better. So here we go, the Kira top from Style Arc, coordinated with my Hadid pants. They feel really comfy and super stylish, and I really like the fabric works. It does crease quite a lot. You can see the creasing. I ironed these. I sat down to look at something. I was like, they're going to be perfect for a Sporty Spice pose. They've just got that look about them. So I looked up what a Sporty Spice pose was. She does like this. And she does the kicks. Yeah, I'm not a karate expert, but also that's kind of like Run DMC. They wear these Adidas tracksuits and they pose. So I'm looking up these poses to see if I should do them for you on here. I can't remember Run DMC kind of like these odd poses. I was worried it maybe looked a little pyjama-esque in these colours. I don't think it's pyjama, but I think it requires some caution to make it not look pyjama. So I've got my red and pink Adidas trainers on, and I kind of like it with this overshirt as well. It kind of works as a combo. Now you just wait there, I'm going to show you something else. So this is, I can't remember the name of the pattern, but it's just a casual sweatshirt with these kind of little extra frills in the sleeves. Oh, I know what it's called, Sewing in the City. Something from their range, that's the designer, Sewing in the City. And these trousers go quite nicely with it. Just, again, elevating sportswear with the frills, with the bits. Just works so nicely with it. So another person at the minute who is wearing Adidas sportswear clothing is Self-Esteem. We're going to see Self-Esteem next month, so I'm going to wear my Hadid pants. And yeah, hopefully fit right in. Not that I want to fit in, I want to stand out. Nobody wants to fit in. So yeah, these are the options that this could be worn with, and I really like the Hadid pants, the pocket detail, the zip detail, and just the flow of the trousers, the way the waistband's finished. There's lots and lots of really lovely yummy details on these. So gather your supplies. Oh no. So I look forward to seeing all your versions in the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group soon.